The trade conflict between the US and China has surged, with China raising tariffs on US goods to 125% now. This is in retaliation to the US imposing 145% tariff on Chinese imports. President Xi Jinping has declared that China is not afraid of the escalating tensions, warning that there are no winners in a trade war. My colleague Disha joins us with more details on this. Disha, what was being seen as this war between US on one side and the rest of the world on the other side has now become an economic standoff between two global powers. What is giving China this kind of confidence to stand up to the United States of America, and how is the US expected to look at this?
So this trade war between US and China continues to intensify, as you said, with now China refusing to back down and now imposing 125% tariffs on all US goods and really upping the ante on the US now. Yesterday, the White House, of course, clarified that the reciprocal tariffs on China are 125%, whereas the 20% tariffs that were already imposed on China for producing fentanyl continues to remain. So the total tariffs come up to 145% on China. So, and now these latest comments by Chinese President Xi really indicates that while China is open to negotiating some sort of trade deal, it is not ready to back down in any way. And now imposing these 125% tariffs. And when it comes to the question that you asked, that what is really driving or pushing China to up the ante on the US, it's really the fact that the two countries have a share almost a $600 billion worth bilateral trade relationship, and various products that are sold in the US, a majority of them are made in China, including iPhones. So in this war, in this trade war that has intensified, there are various products that are going to be impacted, including iPhones. And in terms of what the Chinese the finance ministry has said, that they've said that in fact they've also reached out to India and they've reached out to the European Union, saying that we must resist these intimidation tactics made by the US and really work together to resist these tariffs. And even US President Donald Trump has indicated that he wants to strike some sort of trade deal with China. Back to you.
Right. Thank you, Disha, for joining us with those.